Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to find currents set and drift by radar plotting. This short video will teach you a simple method for determining currents set and drift from a stationary target. Let's dive into it. When using radar in anti-collision mode, tidal effects are ignored, assuming that both the observing and target ships are affected by the same set and drift. When creating a radar plot for a stationary target, such as an anchored vessel, you can use its movement displayed on your radar to determine the current set and drift. While steering a true course of 000 degree at a speed of 12 knots, the following information was obtained by observing a nearby anchored vessel on radar. At 0700, the true bearing was 030 degree, and the range was 4.0 miles. At 0715, the true bearing was 070 degree, and the range was 2.8 miles. Find the set and rate of the current at 0715. Let's plot. Using relative motion, north up, the target was plotted at 0700 and again at 0715. The position of the target at 0700 is labeled B, and at 0715 it is labeled A. The relative track of the target is from B to A. From B, draw a line to C, which is equal to the reciprocal of the observing ship's course. The distance it steams in 15 minutes is 3 miles. Because the target is known to be a stationary vessel, its apparent motion from C to A must be due to the current setting the observer in the opposite direction, from A to C. Therefore, the set is 233 degree, and the drift is 0.8 miles in 15 minutes, which gives a rate of 3.2 knots. And that's how you find current set and drift by radar plotting.